To build our inclinometer, we're going to need some tape, some scissors, a straw, a protractor, not the compass. I've got some fishing line that's colored, that's going to be easy to see, and also some heavy washers to help hold that fishing line straight, so stay tuned. When we make the inclinometer, we're going to line the straw along this line on the base. This center portion is where we're going to put our string through. We're going to tie it to this straw and then tape the straw so that the straw lines to this line. That way our angle will be about as exact as it possibly can be. Let's check out the construction of my inclinometer for just a moment. Notice that I have my straw taped to that main line at the base. I also have my fishing line going directly through that hole and then tied to my straw on the other side. That way we'll get a correct angle when we sight this. We're going to sight and we're going to let this hang at 45 degrees. The reason that 45 degrees is important is that if we get the sight at 45 degrees, then we will be the distance in steps that the object is in height. This is a pretty cool trick, an isosceles triangle. Let's see how this works. We're going to measure the light on this pole. Step back and take a look at this. Vehicle's probably about 6 feet tall. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's probably like somewhere between 25 and 30 feet tall, I'm guessing. So in any science measurement, a guesstimation is really effective. That way you can kind of see and compare. So let's take our inclinometer and make sure it's at 45 degrees, 45, mate, right there. And we're gonna sight that thing straight up at that light and then see how many steps we are. So give me just a second to try this out. Okay, so here we go. I got this about at 45 degrees. I looked through my sight. Where am I at? Here we go. I looked through my sight to find my light, and this is about how many steps I am from the base. Here are my feet. Let's count the steps. I know that my steps are 2.4 feet each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 to the base. So let's use our calculator and calculate 12 times 2.4, and that should roughly give us the answer of the height of this. Then add my height. Twelve times 2.4 is 28.8. And I am 5.8. 34.6 feet.